Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Australian tarantulas or whistling spiders, Araneae, Theraphysidae, are extraordinarily lethal to companion animals. Dogs have been reported to be especially sensitive to tarantula envenomation, and death is reported to occur in 30 to 120 minutes for most dogs. 1258.
Take our lead.
Call your veterinarian right away and seek advice. If it's after hours, call the emergency clinic. If you see the spider that bit your dog, try to put it in a jar for identification by a veterinarian, and tell your dog sitter to do the same.
Take our lead.
Fortunately, most household spiders are harmless and pose no risk to your pet. A few, though, have toxic bites that require immediate and intensive veterinary treatment. If you see your dog or cat playing with a spider, quickly move your pet to a different area and watch for the above symptoms.
Let's help you make your mark.
These signs include muscle pain and cramping, vomiting, diarrhea, tremors, and agitation. Affected dogs and cats may also develop muscle rigidity and may seem painful in their abdomen, belly. Brown recluse bites, in contrast, are often not painful at the time of the bite.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.